Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix KineMaster not installing on your device. First, make sure you are connected with good internet or mobile data. The KineMaster won't install or unsupported device. For that, check device compatibility. A lower RAM or older version device may not support it. Clear Google Play Store cache. A corrupted cache often cause installation errors. This is for Android users. And check for your storage space. Make sure you have at least 1 to 2 GB free storage. Delete unused app or files if needed. Update Google Play services. Outdated services can block installation. Restart your iPhone. This fixes many App Store issues. Turn off your iPhone, wait for a few seconds, turn it back on and try installing again. VPN can block app download. For that, turn off VPN, reopen the App Store, try again. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.